Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're managing inventory and need to quickly find out how many products either have low stock or are high-priced, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through a practical scenario using a simple Excel formula that makes this task easy and efficient. Let's imagine you're managing an electronics store. You have a list of products, and your goal is to figure out how many of these products have less than 100 units in stock or are priced over $200. This is important because it helps you decide which products need restocking and which ones are premium items that might need special attention. Here's a quick look at the data we're working with. We have columns for the product name, stock level, and price. The stock levels are in column J, and the prices are in column E. To find the total number of products that meet our conditions, we'll use the COUNTIF function in Excel. Here's the formula we'll use. Equals COUNTIF. Open bracket, J2 to J16. Comma. Quote. Less than 100. Quote. Close bracket. Plus. COUNTIF. Open bracket. E2 to E16. Comma. Quote. Greater than 200. Quote. Close bracket. Let's see how this works in practice. If your data shows 10 products with stock levels below 100 units and 3 products priced over $200, the formula will return 13. This means you have 13 products that either need restocking or are considered premium. With this information, you can make better decisions on reordering, promotions, and inventory management.